Hello everyone, welcome back to the new session. We are at the end of the lesson, a short monsoon diary. Let us continue. On 26th of January, winter reigns in the hills. In the hushed silence of the house, when I am quite alone and my friend who was here has gone. It is very lonely, very quiet, as I sit in a liquid silence, a silence within. Surrounded by the rhythm of rain, the steady drift of water on leaves, on lemons, on roof, drumming on drenched dahlias and window panes. While the mist holds the house in a dark caress, as I pause near a window, the rain stops and starts again. And the trees, no longer green but grey, menace me with their loneliness. Let us find the meaning of new words. Firstly, caress. Caress means touching or holding lovingly. Right? Next one, menace. Menace means threaten, frighten. Right? On 26th of January, the author wrote a poem which was titled Winter Rains in the Hills. It is a name of poem written by Ruskin Bond. It was written on 26th of January when the poet was around the hill section, right? This poem, Winter Rains in the Hills, describes that the very feelings which the poet gets when he is inside the house and outside it is raining. The poet wrote the poem Winter Rains in the Hills during the rainy season. While it was raining heavily outside, he was inside the house. There was silence inside the house. There was complete silence. His friend who had come to meet him had left, and there was quiet and liquid silence within. But outside the house, it was raining. The poet felt that lonely because his friend who had come to meet him had left. It was raining and he was surrounded by the melodious rhythm of rain. The author, the poet, felt that melodious rhythm of rain. The sound was feeling melodious for him. The rainwater was falling on the leaves, on lemons and roofs, and also on dahlias and window panes. And there was the thick fog outside the house, and this fog was holding lovingly the author's house and making it dark. Right? The house was covered by the thick fog, and he felt that the author felt that fog held his house in the dark, right? When the author Ruskin Bond went near the window and he stopped there, the rain was also stopped. The rain was paused and it started again. He could see the trees which were around him, they were no longer green. They were not in green blue because it was winter season, they were grey. But the look of the trees were threatening him, that he was again lonely. The atmosphere was grey, he didn't feel any comfort, he felt that lonely. Next, on 23rd of March, late March, end of winter, the blackest cloud I have ever seen squatted over Missouri, and then it held marbles for half an hour, nothing like a hailstorm to clear the sky. Even as I write, I see a rainbow forming. This is the end of the lesson. Here we have some new words. Squatted means sat with knees bent. Kneel. Another word for that is kneel. Hailed marbles means hailstorm taking place. The rain which will be having the small pieces of ice. That is called hailstorm. 23rd is the last day's entry which is given in the lesson, and the author here expresses that it was late March and it was almost end of winter season. But there was a black cloud which had surrounded the entire Mussoorie. Mussoorie is a name of place, and that black cloud had caused a hailstorm for almost half an hour. After that, the sky had become bright and there was a beautiful rainbow which the author saw. This is all about today's session. Read this lesson completely and be ready for the exercise part. Thank you. Have a nice day.